stop scrolling for a second because some of these jean ideas should not look this good. I was on Pinterest and found a bunch that made me look at my own jeans differently, and I had to share them with you. All of these came from Pinterest, and there's a board linked in the comments so you can save your favorites for later. And I want to make this interactive. Vote in the comments for the idea that stands out to you the most. Because if this video reaches 100 votes, I may recreate the winning one in my own style. Now listen, there was a time when jeans stopped being finished. Do you remember that era? When a plain pair of denim felt like it was just waiting for something. A cut, a patch, a little fabric, a little attitude. Suddenly everybody turned into a designer with a pair of scissors and just enough confidence to be a little dangerous. And these ideas bring that feeling right back. Because most of them start the same way: old jeans, worn spots, maybe something you were this close to tossing. And then somebody gets creative. And now it looks like something you'd pay way too much money for in a store. Like, excuse me, since when did we become fashion designers overnight? Quick pause. If you're enjoying this and you like creative sewing ideas and tutorials like this, go ahead and like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. But watch what happens while you're looking at these. Your brain starts shifting. You stop thinking, oh, that's cute, and start thinking, wait, I could do that. And that is where everything changes. Because now your closet isn't full of old clothes, it's full of ideas. And don't forget to vote in the comments. If we hit 100 votes, I may recreate one of these and see what it actually turns into. So as you watch, are you seeing old jeans or your next glow up?